Hey yo, what up? Welcome to Black Savage Entertainment. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, and turn the notification bell on. Yo, in this video, we got Wack 100 speaking on ASAP Rocky, taking his case to trial after rejecting a plea deal. So let's get right into the content, man. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit that like button, turn the notification bell on. Let's get it.
Either you taking that deal 180 again, 180, 3 years probation, 7 years suspended. Vice 24 years with this much evidence. That's what you got a lawyer for. But I don't know, y'all. A lot of people in here said they taking that deal with that much evidence you heard today. And it's more. We just played half the video.
Come on, man.
What's the deal?
What up, Wack?
What's the deal?
The deal was 180. Days incarcerated, 3 years probation, and then 7 years suspended sentence. And he facing
And what?
24 max.
And what state?
California.
He facing 24, and they offered him 180
Yes,
days.
sir.
And this for who?
ASAP Rocky.
Oh no, he going to the box. He ain't gonna take it. A street nigga gonna take it if he did it.
Okay.
He going to the box. ASAP going to the box with that. He ain't gonna take it. If that was with the street nigga, if he know he did it, then he gonna take it. But not shit. 180 days, boy. That nigga, he ain't gonna do nothing but about.
Half that, right?
He won't even do half of it. That nigga be out in 30 days.
Shit.
But he ain't gonna take it. What is he turned it down, right?
Turned it down, but today we was playing the evidence against him. I don't know, Wack.
I mean, I looked at the shit. I didn't know. Was anybody hit?
Oh, boy said he got hit, but he
Ain't
ain't
no
go to no
say he got
hospital.
hit,
Went
but the
through a couple
hospital, yeah.
days. Yeah, you know how that shit go.
Yeah, he ain't. And that's what I'm saying. So, what's his charge again? Because
I
if
think it's
he
two
ain't
charges of
hit,
assault with a deadly weapon. Give me a second. Let me double check it.
it's 245, right? I didn't have cases like this. He can get that shit reduced down to discharging the firearm and city limit all day.
Yeah, I don't think old boy got hit. They said he got grazed in the knuckles or some shit.
Nah, well, did he go to the hospital?
I don't think so.
Okay, well, shit, didn't happen. Did they catch dude with the gun?
Nope.
ASAP with a gun?
No, sir.
He got a gunpowder, negative, positive gunpowder test?
No, sir.
I didn't look at the video. I can't tell who on that video.
Neither can we.
Did they enhance the video and show us something different?
We haven't seen it yet, Wack. It's day one of the
I
trial.
seen him, like, him when he was going back out of camera. They saying he had a gun.
Right.
Okay, that's cool. How many other people was there?
3 with 2 more.
So how they know the other two people didn't fire the shot?
They don't.
Yeah, he ain't gonna take it. It's a weak case. Who's his attorney? He probably got a dumbass one of these.
Yeah, he do.
Yeah, that nigga should have got LA County attorney. That case beatable all day. What's the victim saying?
So they got the text messages back and forth, right? Of basically some shit about not dick and pussy shit, but they was arguing back and forth, whoop de whoop. Told him to meet up somewhere at the studio. They meet up. He didn't know what was going on. They get into a scrap. Long story long.
So who didn't know what was going on?
The victim dude said he
So
woke up kind of groggy to a bunch of text messages, whoop de whoop. ASAP was pissed because he was talking shit, and then he basically said meet up somewhere. They met up, and that's the first video
so
you
he
see.
so he gave a statement.
100%, and he testifying. And that's his 18-year friend.
Got you. So he said when the shot was fired, was he facing ASAP or was he walking away?
So we haven't heard any of that part yet.
Yeah, see, when those questions get to getting asked,
Right.
that's when shit get to changing.
Mm-hmm. or
Was your
beat
back
the.
was your back to him when you heard the gunshot, or was you facing him? Don't tell me you knew he did it because you did. We ain't know what you knew. Did you see him do it?
Hey, his attorney's name is Joe Tacopina. You ever heard of him?
Uh-uh.
Yeah.
They be going to these months. A lot of these niggas be getting old and aging out,
Yeah.
having reputations, but they be from 30 years ago. They wits ain't there right now. Yeah, he ain't going. That nigga ain't gonna.
So this is what his attorney said. He says Rocky's attorney Joe Tacopina also revealed for the first time in court Tuesday that the defense plans to call witnesses to testify that a firearm seen on a security video is a starter pistol that Rocky carried as a prop for security.
Oh yeah, see, he play. He on some dumb shit. See, that's the
Mm-hmm.
bozo attorney.
That's what we said in the beginning, bro. Ain't no fucking way you arguing that.
Yeah, that's a bozo attorney. Nigga, if you can't visually tell that's my client, I'm staying right there in that space. Now what you about to do is put a gun in your client's hand, dummy. This nigga taking an elementary approach. Yeah, but see now the charge go. Now this is what's crazy, right? Hold on, let me pull this shit up. He's an idiot. How much? Uh, so what he trying to play for is simulated firearm. And probably depends on the number of offenses. The penalty include fine or jail time. The person was not in public. Cause that should have carried 6 months too.
Let me see. He's charged with 2 felony counts of 1 second.
They got a charge called simulated firearm.
So he's charged with 2 counts of felony assault with a semi-automatic firearm. 2 counts of that.
See, Max. But see, he putting a gun in his hand. Which now they see. This is what a nigga stupid. See, this is why he got a bozo attorney. I just didn't fall. You know, all my cases was violent gun cases, so I just know this shit. I'm finna show you something, right? Look at this dumb shit, right? Look why this attorney is a motherfucking bozo. Read my PTR, bro. This is why the attorney's a bozo. It carries 6 months for simulated firearm. They offered him 6 months.
That's what I said.
You
That's
stupid fucker. Now you just didn't put it in his head. I'm not putting nothing, nigga. Listen, my attorney is not going to put nothing. Listen, man. Who in that video? Can you tell? Is it Bleu? That ain't my client. That ain't him. Now, the witness is going to take the stand and testify, right? He got grazed, the sound of the motherfucking firearm, all that shit. You get what I'm saying? He just put a gun in his client's hand when that was the hardest thing for the DA to do. You understand what I'm saying, Prince?
1000%.
What the fuck would you do that for?
Now
Okay.
you gotta
Okay.
explain the whole reason for it. Now you put the gun in his hand.
Hey,
Now it's a
now
prop
you
gun.
gotta
Now
explain
security
everything.
gotta testify.
Crazy. Yeah, I think they're gonna book him now. See, I didn't know that. That's as it stood, he had it in his favor. I'd have been like, so when you was running away or walking away, he fired the shot, correct? I'd have tried to bait him. As soon as he would have said yeah, it'd have been over with.
Hey, yo, man, do me a big favor. Hit that like button for me, man. That's the end of Wack 100's audio, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments below. How y'all feel about ASAP Rocky taking this case to trial? Do y'all think he got a chance at beating this case? Now, Wack 100 was speaking on his attorney and his tactics and his strategy moving forward. And he's basically saying the attorney is stupid because the hardest thing for the prosecution to do was put the gun in ASAP Rocky's possession at the time of the alleged shooting. Now, the attorney is saying that he's going to have an expert witness come up and testify that the weapon seen on the video was a prop gun that ASAP Rocky used to carry for protection. Now, Wack 100 thinks this is a stupid strategy because, for one, you placed your client at the scene of the incident. Two, you put an alleged firearm in his possession. So you're identifying that, you confirming that what was seen on the video is ASAP Rocky. The person seen holding the alleged firearm is ASAP Rocky. So Wack 100 feels this is a stupid move by the attorney. He needs a new defense. Because the angle that he's working is basically trying to get a simulated firearm charge. So if the current charge is reduced to that, it carries a minimum of 6 months, and that is the original deal that ASAP Rocky rejected. It came with 180 days and some other stipulations that included probation. So how y'all feel about ASAP taking this to trial? Do y'all think they're gonna try to book him like Tory Lanez? Do y'all think this case is weak? Let me know how y'all feel in the comments. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, turn notification bell on, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.